ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum. Ka Office District School Education Officer Jangka West Giant Hills District hakar pulai trik ujemang arajar pusau. Kala penlong ke district level science mathematics and environment exhibition arajar pusau. Lo kapang Science and Technology for Society Hajuai Public School Muralong hakabala sakilang du Deputy Commissioner Jangka West Giant Hills District uba BS Solia. Ka District School Education Officer ke kong APCA menolong nong hikai bagi Khynnah School nagi katway teli school. Na pedang ikat wait league school beli Shim benta haganik exhibition ke North Liberty Higher Secondary School bela mikmat dek way maya nong tudu lakyang kelawan haga kedan ke beningkong lo ke sub team testing the acidity and basicity of the soil using natural indicator ka Juai Public School Juai ke belawan baar bela mikmat dek Alicia Pali lo ke sub team demonstration and use of traditional method of medication held but ke Little Angel Higher Secondary School Juai kelawan balai haga bela mikmat du janmi shaki nong tudu lo ke sub team floating river cleaner life lifestyle for environment.
So I would like to express my congratulations to all the schools that participated. It doesn't matter whether you take the prize or you do not. I, for one, I refrain from using the term loser or winning and losing. It's either you win or you didn't manage to win. So because losing it's a negative term, so we prefer to use the word winning and somebody else who almost managed to win. It gives positivity to the whole atmosphere and everything else. So my congratulations to the teams, schools who are going to be in that category and also who are not going to be in that category. But my best wishes would be for the schools and the teams and the teachers who are going to take the district to at the state level. May you prepare well, do it, do your homework diligently. Always, hesitate to ask questions. Again, I would like to go back and to borrow a bit of the speech of Bas now, be curious, always ask till you perfect your craft, till you perfect your art, till you perfect your subject. You come to that point but you never stop. You'll never stop. You'll never stop learning. Learning is an everyday process. The person who says, I've had enough, I've learned so much, and that's it. I know everything else that I need to know. That person in my dictionary is a fool.
Science is applied in your day-to-day life. Right from the moment you got up from your bed, science is applied. Do you know how? As soon as you get up, what do you do? What do you do as soon as you get up? You brush your teeth, right? So have you ever thought that when you take your paste, your toothpaste and your toothbrush in your hand, when you squeeze that toothpaste into the toothbrush, science is applied there. Have you ever thought of that? That is why I said science is very important in your day-to-day life. We apply science in our everyday life, right from the moment we get up. Okay? So as students, I would like to encourage all of you to take an interest in the study of science. When we say science, it doesn't mean only about physics and chemistry and biology, right? We use different types of sciences in our day-to-day life. All right, so that is why I encourage all of you, my dear students, please, okay, please take an interest in science. Because without science, you will not be able to think and to imagine or to bring in a perception of what is going to happen or what is happening in this world that we live in. Okay? So my request to all of you and my encouragement is that all of you should take an interest in science. I know nowadays, as students, I had gone through that period also. When, when we have science subject, when we have science period, I know it's one of the worst period in my life. I hate science so much, okay? But ultimately, we learn. We learn to love science. We learn to, adapt what is taught, what is being taught to us by our teachers in our schools. And that is how we come and learn about the importance of science in our day-to-day life.